Well, I thought about bringing out the old girl here, the Parks planer, but as you see, I have a lot of mess to clean up. So thought about it, and be a great opportunity to try the planer attachment for the Sears and Craftsman electric radio saw, otherwise known as radio arm saw. Let's see how this one runs. Okay, here we go. Well, got some disappointing news. If you saw in the video, this was moving. So watch this. Brakes off. Brakes on. And it's still moving. So tells me I gotta take this apart, because what happens is inside that mechanism there, wood dust piles up, or basically parts wear out. There's a nylon bushing in there, and that might be wore out too. But I'm going to take a look at this because I can't run that like this. As you see, it was doing good, and then all of a sudden it just went, hey, I'm going this way. Can't have that. So gonna have to fix that in another episode. Stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I got this one done at least without the brake failing, so that's good. At least I was able to do one. But in the meantime, everyone, if you would please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, that way the algorithm knows that you like this content. And stay tuned, I'll show you how I fix this. It's gonna be interesting. Alright, later.